In this video, we're going to talk about exercise 4.3, question 7. So it's going to find the intersection between two straight lines. So for L1, we have 7x plus 3y plus 18 equal to 0. For L2, we have x minus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So first of all, we can just change it to become this 7x plus 3y. So all of the variables on the left-hand side and put the constant on the right. Similarly, for the second one, we have x minus 1 equal to 1. So that we're using the program 1, that we can enter 7, 3, negative 18, 1, negative 1, 1 to get your value of x and y. So apart from this method, you can just use the method of substitution. This is the first equation, this is the second equation. So from the second equation, we can make it becomes the y of the subject. This is negative y, so I move it to the right, it becomes positive. So I can have the y is equal to x minus 1. Then you can just substitute this y with x minus 1 into our first equation and replace this y by x minus 1. So now I substitute y equal to x minus 1 into the first equation. Then we have 7x plus 3y, so the y can be changed to x minus 1 plus 18 equal to 0. So now I have a bracket that I extended. I distributed the 3 to both of them. So I have 7x plus 3x minus 3 plus 18 equal to 0. Combine this 3x and 7x to get 10x. And I don't want this negative 3, move to the right becomes positive. Similar for the 18, becomes negative 18. So I have this going to be a 3 minus 15. So I have 3 minus 18. So I have 10x equal to minus 15, so that x is equal to negative 1.5. And after that, it's not finished yet, so I just substitute back to our equation here. So I substitute x equal to negative 1.5 into y equal to x minus 1, so that we have y is equal to negative 1.5 minus 1, giving you y equal to negative 2.5. So that the coordinate of the intersection is going to be negative 1.5, negative 2.5. So for question 8 is going to be similar. We have two straight lines, that is 2x plus 5y minus 2 equal to 0. And we have 3x plus 10y plus 2 equal to 0. So the first method is change, it becomes the 2x minus 5y equal to 2. And then 3x plus 10y equal to negative 2. So I change it becomes all of the variables on the left hand side and the constant on the right hand side. Then use the program 1 into enter 2, 5, 2, 3, 10, negative 2. And then you can get the value of x and y. Okay, or else you can just use the method of elimination. So you can see from here there's a 5y but there's 10y. So how to make the 5y becomes 10? You can just simply times 2. So that we can first of all use the first equation times 2. So all of the coefficients times 2. So it becomes 4x plus 10y and then minus 4 equal to 0. Then we're calling this is the third equation. Then we can use the third equation to minus the second equation to eliminate the value of y. So now we have 4x minus 3x giving you x plus 10y minus 10y is 0. And then minus 4 minus 2 giving you the 6 is equal to 0. So that x should be equal to 6. And after that, I just substitute this x equal to 6 into either of the equations. Maybe the first one is the same. So that we have 2 times 6 plus 5y minus 2 equal to 0. Then we solve for y. We have 5y equal to, this is 12 minus 2 giving you 10. So 10 moving to the right becomes negative 10. So then we have y is equal to negative 10 divided by 5 giving you negative 2. So that the intersection point is going to be 6, negative 2.